y'all, welcome to this snowstorm here on the coast of Texas. I have never seen it snow like this here in Texas ever before. We've had a little bit of snow, but it's a full-on snowstorm out here. This is insane. I can't believe it. Like, I'm kicking up snow. Oh my goodness, goodness gracious. Are you having so much fun? This is crazy, y'all. We're in Texas. I can build a snowman out here. This is crazy. Yeah. This is so cool. Little roosters, y'all are gonna freeze. Our poor boat got filled to the brim with snow. My hair is currently frozen. Oh no. You ready? Go get it! This is insane.